Hey guys, what's up? Since we didn't do 5th of November, right? I got a sparkler. Yeep. And since we didn't do it, we're using the sparklers early. No, late because we didn't do it. We didn't have enough time to go to any of the bonfire places. So bright. Why not? What happens if you walk on the floor? Ah, that's what happened. Maybe I can go back in time. So that's how you go back in time. You do this very quick. Oh wow. Wait, which side? It's this side now. There we go. Alright, so I'll get the other one. Where's my sauce? Oh, I'll jump in the water. Oh damn, I can hear it tickling. Alright, can you light the other one? There we go. Going back in time. They're going up. Yes, great.
I can't leave your mum stood at the door naked. Do you want me to turn the camera? No, I better not do it. It's on your webpage.
She's not even
I
naked.
don't want to scare everybody by you showing your mum naked.
Dad, she's not even naked.
Yeah, she is.
No, she isn't.
You can't see what I can see. Your mum's in here flashing.
I can literally see her. She's right behind her. You can point the camera at her if you want.
No, I think that might scare people.
She's not even naked.
Put them away, Dom. Don't start flashing them.
Oh yeah, it's just.
This is a kids' one.
Yeah, it's just about to fill out. Here we go.